Greetings, guys and gals. My name is Richard Stillman. A lot of my colleagues, family, and friends call me Stilly. Right now, I am active duty military, but I am medically retiring very soon here. I've been in the Army for about 10 years. I worked as a critical care flight paramedic. I have done my fair share of civilian transports, but mainly I support critically injured or ill service members. I was on the path to transition to a PA program within the military, but unfortunately I was diagnosed with atrial fibrillation. This, among my other diagnoses, prevent me from being in austere environments anymore and affect my ability to work at high altitudes. This makes my current job pretty difficult, so my unit put me behind a desk. Just about my least favorite thing. I look forward to transitioning out of the military. That being said, I will be applying to several PA programs across the nation shortly here, whichever will have me. I just recently finished my bachelor's degree with Purdue University Global. I still need a few prerequisite classes to make me a competitive candidate that previously were not offered with my health sciences degree, so that's why I am here. But don't. So I'm currently taking organic chemistry and genetics with y'all. A little bit about me. I love taking care of people. I guess I would hope that most that pursue advanced medical would harbor that attribute, but some don't. I'm sure you guys can relate to that. Because of that, I feel that some would characterize me as wearing my heart on my sleeve. It's a curse and a blessing. So there is that. I also can be pretty blunt, and there's not much I can't stomach. Many years of seeing some messed up stuff is attributed to that. Luckily, my wife accepts me for that. I met her back in Korea in 2012. We got married in 2013. The original plan was for her to be my sugar mama. Unfortunately, she liked the converse idea of me working for the rest of my life. So here I am, learning, rather than playing golf or playing my video games or binge watching Netflix. Oh yeah, I love Korea and the culture. I recommend going there or traveling there. You know, if you're thinking about getting out of the country and checking out some places. We adopted our son from there. He is a 40-pound lovable heap of fur with a very cute underbite. I'll show you guys pictures later. We rescued him from a dog-eating place. It was a pretty crazy story, but there are still a certain population that eat dog. It's a lot of the older population back when they were starving, Korean War and stuff. So, but we rescued him from there, so anytime he acts out, I always remind him that he could have been dinner. So he stays in line for the most part. That is my family. We currently live near Fort Polk, Louisiana, which is about 3 hours northeast of Houston. I'm originally from St. Louis, Missouri. I do miss home, but look forward to continuing to travel and wherever PA school I end up at, I will end up there. Looking forward to that move. So that wraps up my intro. I look forward to working with you all over the next 8 condensed weeks. Yikes. Scary. Someone tell me it will be okay. Alright. See you guys.